how to add LinkedIn profile to Facebook. So if you want to add LinkedIn profile to Facebook, then first open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, now you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon, and tap on the profile option. Tap on the 3 dots, which is on the right side, and here you will have an option of edit profile. But if you don't have the edit profile here, just go back, and here you will have the edit profile on your profile. Tap on edit profile. Once you tap on it, you just need to simply scroll down, and here you will have links on the bottom, right? So you just need to simply tap on the links or the edit option, which is on the right side of the link. Once you tap on edit, now just simply go with add a social link and choose the platform. Under the platform, you need to choose LinkedIn and then enter your LinkedIn username. Once you enter the LinkedIn username, you just need to simply go with save, which will be on the upper right, and choose the audience. You can choose public, friends, or only me option. And after that, tap on save, which is on the upper right, and tap on save changes, and that's it. Your LinkedIn has been added to your Facebook. So that's how you can add LinkedIn profile to your Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.